spot. I'm feeling good. The sun is shining. I knew it would. The world's a playground. I'm in the clouds. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Check it
What I shared today represents only a portion of what we are doing, about 30% of the ongoing efforts in the capital. But I will be the first to say it is not enough. Because this challenge is bigger than any single office, any single sector, or any single leader. We need everyone. We need all of you. Your ideas, your discipline, and action. Because at the end of the day, ato ang Sugbo. And if we truly believe that, then we must prove it. Not just in words, but in what we do. Thank you, and I look forward to a meaningful and productive 2-day summit. Daghang salamat.